What's the meaning of A-OK? A-OK. 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 A-OK.
A-OK is a phrase that means everything is good or satisfactory. It is often used to indicate that a particular situation or task has been successfully completed. The term originated in the United States in the mid-20th century and has since become a common phrase in English-speaking countries. The A in A-OK stands for excellent or perfect, while the OK represents a shortening of all right. Overall, A-OK conveys a sense of achievement and approval, suggesting that everything is proceeding according to plan.